Hello everyone, in this video I am going to reimagine our beloved hero as a villain. This was inspired by Jaza. And today we are going on a quest to discover Naruto's journey to villainy. I started by sketching the character. I laid down all of the Naruto's characteristics and took it off from there. Instead of drawing Naruto as a bulkier or more menacing character, I decided to portray Naruto as a female. I also gave her a different jumpsuit because drawing the same outfit would be a bit predictable, just for the sake of variation. But before we dive into this fictional story, please remember that this is all in good fun. Naruto fans, don't take it too seriously. It's just a reimagine from a fan to another. There existed a parallel dimension where Naruto was not the hero we all know. Instead, she was Naruko, cunning and mysterious female villain with the power to shake the very foundations of her world. Naruko's story started much like Naruto's, as an orphan excluded by her village. However, unlike Naruto, she embraced her isolation. As she grew, she honed her chakra with unmatched precision, unlocking forbidden jutsu that warped the fabric of reality itself. Naruko's never-ending thirst for power led her down a dark path. She assembled an army of rogue shinobi, each drawn to her charisma and ruthless ambition. Together, they left devastation in their wake. Laying waste to entire villages. Her red eyes sparkled with wickedness as she enjoyed making people scared. But what truly set Naruko apart was her mastery of genjutsu, illusions that could trap even the strongest shinobi's minds. She used these illusions to manipulate heroes into becoming her unwitting pawns, advancing her wicked agenda. One by one, the multiverse's greatest champions fell before Naruko's might. Her intelligence and ruthlessness were matched only by her beauty, a deadly combination that made her an irresistible force. As her reign of terror continued, whispers of her name sent shivers down the spines of those who dared to speak it. The multiverse had never seen a villain quite like Naruko. Her story serves as a chilling reminder that in a vast and infinite tapestry of world, even the most beloved heroes can take a darker path. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking it and sharing it with fellow Naruto fans. Also, if you want to learn how to draw like this, check out my free course where I teach about the free digital art software Krita, which I use for all my illustrations. Or if you are interested in learning the steps and workflow used by the pros to create masterpieces, click the link in the description. It's completely free.